Morning everyone. I'm coming to you about bipolar recovery, and this is for people who are maybe interested in a relaxation technique, or it's not even yoga or meditation. It's the simplest thing that you could ever do and anyone can do it. So I'm going to teach you how to focus on your breath. And so I suppose I'm a bit of a yoga teacher for you this morning. So namaste. So I had stopped doing this, and my osteopath reminded me about this technique, and I'm going to give you a few pointers on how to do this simply and easily, and something you can bring into your routine in your daily life. So you can do this sitting down on the floor or on a chair. Best not the sofa because it's a bit squidgy and soft. It's also good not to have your spine or your head touching anything behind you. If you find sitting on the floor tricky, you can sit on a couple of cushions or a yoga block. You can even have cushions kind of underneath your legs on either side where they're crossed, just to kind of give you support, because sometimes after a little while you might start feeling some tensions or sensations in your hips that might take you kind of off track, and it's best just to make you as comfortable as possible in a sitting position so you can focus on your breath. So you can focus on your breath in lots of different places in your body. You can focus by your nose, where it comes in and out. You can focus at the back of the throat. You can do it with the rise and fall of your upper chest. You can do it lower down here. You can notice that movement, and you can also do it in your lower abdomen. But the osteopath said that, people with anxiety and things, you can often alter and change your breath quite easily. I know that if I focus further down, I can easily kind of maybe slightly force it or extend my breath, and we shouldn't be doing that. We should just be keeping our breath as natural as possible. So the best place to start is the nose, because you can't alter or change that. It just is, So when you come to your quiet, calm sitting place, put your hands palms face up, and your fingers are together, and the thumb is touching the side, and it's in a kind of gentle cup shape, and you put it resting on your knees or a bit further back, but your hands aren't like way over your knees, so you're just really comfortably there. Then just close your eyes, doing nothing in particular for a while, and that closing your eyes will just kind of blank out any of the visual information that's coming into your body, into your brain, and it just helps to settle. So maybe just do that for 1 or 2 minutes, and just getting your sitting position comfortable and ready. And then all you do literally is notice as you breathe in and as you breathe out through the nose. You breathe in and you breathe out through the nose. Now, you might find it that you come off track with thoughts, for example, as you're doing this. And something I used to do, and I still come back to sometimes when my mind is really racing, I will use counting to help me keep my attention. So I'd go in rounds from 1 to 10. So I'd breathe in, count 1, breathe out. Breathe in, count 2, breathe out. And continue like that to 10. And then keep going in rounds like that, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. You might lose track at like 3, you might lose track at 6 or 7. And if you find that you've noticed you've stopped counting and you're thinking about something else, just go back to 1. It doesn't matter where you're at, just come back to 1. And also, don't berate yourself. Don't think, oh, I did it again. Just literally allow yourself kindly and mindfully to come back to 1. And just, it's a process. Just keep at it. It's not a positive or a negative. It's amazing that you've noticed that you've come off the counting, and that is something in itself. And over time, you'll improve with this. And over time, you can take away the counting and then literally just noticing the in and the out. Something else I do sometimes is, as I breathe in, you're taking air from outside in the room and bringing it into your nose. So it's just whatever temperature is around you. And then when you breathe out, the air is coming from inside of your body outwards, and it will feel warmer. So you can notice a coolness, notice a warmth as you breathe out. So that's something else that you can try. And over time, you might see that you can stretch it from 2 minutes to 5 minutes to maybe even 10 minutes or longer. And just be patient. It might take months, it might take years, but it's a really good place to start. And on my next video, I'm going to do a technique called alternate nostril breathing. And that's something that's also pretty simple and very powerful in a different way. So I hope this was interesting for you and something that you could try at home and help you with your bipolar or your mental health problems that you have, and just really try and help with focus, settling your energies, settling your physical body, settling your mental body. Thank you very much, everyone.